I have no idea what's going on with me these days, to be honest with you. I just seem to really be drawn to these saturated colors at the moment. I've been doing a lot of research on saturated colors for the course that I'm making, Intuitive and Spontaneous Abstracts. So it could be that I've been inspired by that. All I know is that I'm really, really having fun with this. So much so that I actually made 2 pages with the same palette. But I'll tell you about that later on in the video. So the colors I'm using in this one is a primary azo yellow lemon, an olive green deep, and a quinacridone rose. I'm also using a couple of neo colors, one in orange and one in purple, a turquoise woody that I love, and a pink gelato. Yeah, I'm trying at this point to find some kind of balance in this painting, and something is off. So I decided to make more of that dark green and put some of it on the top there. And I kind of think it helped balance it out a bit, but I'm not really in love with the marks that I'm making with the palette knife. So I end up pulling a small paintbrush in and, working on that area. So this is where I kind of decide to stop this piece. I was really out of my comfort zone because of all these bright colors, but I had so much fun making this piece. And since there was so much paint left, I decided that I was going to have a second go at it. And I'm really excited to show you guys how that turned out next week, because it really does demonstrate the power of practice. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. See you next week.